friends. So I realized I grabbed the wrong worksheet yesterday when I did 4-5. I should have done 4-2 first, and then 4-5 was supposed to be today. So we're going to just change it up because we go with the flow, and we're going to do 4-2s today, but the homework will be from yesterday. I am sorry about that. As you can tell, I clearly wasn't feeling well yesterday. So let's look over our homework from yesterday, and we'll get started. All right, well, homework probably didn't make too much sense, huh, because I did the different worksheet. Well, I'm sorry about that. So if you haven't done it yet, just do this video today with this problem homework, and then switch up. All right, so you wanted to draw an array, so you still would have done this the same way. You would have done this, splitting it with just 50, and then you would have split 10 plus 5. That was my fault. All right, so for this one, I'd still do the same thing, but I just don't do it with 4 boxes. I just do it with 2. So I should have done 50 times 10, and that would give me 500, and then 50 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 plus a 0. 500 plus 250, 0, 5, 750. All right, number 4 was 880. 5 was 1,170. And 6 was 1,260. Again, sorry that the homework didn't match the video. I don't know what happened to me. All right, number 7. You should have taken the 30 floors times 18 and gotten 540 feet. Number, what do we have next? 10 down at the bottom. All right, and you should have had 1,230 glasses and plates, because you should have had the 30 glasses of boxes times 16, and then 30 times 25 for the plates, and added them together. All right, remember, if you need to rewatch yesterday's video to do this homework, or today's video to do this homework and fix this, that's okay. And then today's homework will go with yesterday's video instead. I'm sorry for that mix-up. All right, so number 1 and 2 we will do together. On the top part, it just goes through exactly what we did yesterday, but instead of splitting into 4 rectangles, we're going to split it just into 2. Okay. And then I want to split my factors into tens and ones, or that expanded form. Okay, we're going to write our factors. So we got 20 over here, and then we're going to move 20 plus 4. All right, and then we're going to multiply inside. 20 times 20 equals, so 2 times 2 is 4. Add 2 zeros to get 400. And then I would do 20 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and add a 0 to get 80. So 400 plus 80 would be 480. Do you see how I split my one factor into tens and ones? I didn't need to do it with this one because that's already in expanded form because there's no ones. So that's all we're doing for today's practice worksheet. And our homework will be similar, except for we will expand both numbers like we did in our video yesterday. Thanks for that patience again. All right, so for this one, what I do is take 30 and then do 20 plus 9, and do 30 times 20 equals 3 times 2 is 6, add 2 zeros, and do 30 times 9. 9 times 3 is 18, and add a 0, and then I add up my partial products. 0, 8, 7. All right, then that should be 780. All right, so you're going to try these 6 problems on your own. And I really want you to work on making those rectangles inside each area to find the different partial products. Okay? So go ahead and work on those 6 problems and unpause the video when you're ready to go on. Okay, let's take a look at these problems. So I should have had 10 and 20 plus 2, and then did 20 times 10 or 10 times 20 to get 200. Then we would do 10 times 2 to get 20, and if we add them up, we get 220. For this one, same kind of thing, except for we're going to do 10 plus 3 on the top. So 10 times 10 we know is 100, and 10 times 3 we know is 30. This one I'm not going to write out my partial products because I can add 100 plus 30 in my head and get 130. I don't need to borrow or carry over anything. This one, though, I might need to. So I've got 20 and then 30 plus 5. So I'm doing 20 times 30 in this box, left times the top. And that gets us 600. And 20 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and add a 0. That's 100. Again, this one's a mental math one. So I can say that this answer is 700. All right, let's look over to number 4. 20, I don't need to split that anymore. 40 plus 1. 40 times 20, 4 times 2 is 8, add 2 zeros. And 20 times 1 is 20. Again, that was mental math. I can just add those up and get 820. For this one, we do 70 and 20 plus 9. So I'm doing 70 times 20. Again, 7 times 2 is 14, and add 2 zeros. 70 times 9. Well, I gotta go know my 7 or my 9's facts, and I know that that gets me 63, and add 1 0. For this one, I do need to add them up because this isn't mental math, because we had to carry over. 0, 3, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 2,030 for this one. All right, and the last one, you should have done 80 times 40 plus 3. So I do 80 times 40, and that gets me 32 plus 2 zeros, 3,200. And then 80 times 3 gets me 24, and add 1 0 for 240. So 3,200 plus 240, 0, 4, 4, and a 3 to get 3,440. All right, so like I said, if you need to go back and use today's video to do yesterday's homework, go ahead and do that. And then what you can do is use yesterday's video, rewatch yesterday's video to help you answer today's homework, which will be this worksheet. So let's take a look at that. All right. So for this one, you're going to use the area and partial products way. So for this one, what you'll want to do is try your 4 rectangles for all of these, and expand both of your factors to like 20 plus 6 and 10 plus 8. Again, this homework actually goes with yesterday's video because I made a mistake. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm sorry for the confusion and hopping around, but I think that's the easiest way instead of confusing you more by making different videos. So let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, thanks for your cooperation and understanding, and have fun doing partial products.